that is a lot of light. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and today is less of a Mustang video than it is a garage video. Now, one of my favorite upgrades that I've done to my garage here is lighting. I actually put LED strip lighting all around the perimeter of the garage, and it does a really great job of lighting up the sides of the garage and the walls, and it just makes it feel a lot brighter in here. But over both bays of the garage, I have standard fluorescent light fixtures, which are not as bright and don't have that pure white color that I really love from the LEDs. So while in the future I'm going to be upgrading both of these bay fixtures to LED, for now I wanted something quick and easy to brighten up the center of the garage. So let's get over to the bench and take a look at what I got. Okay, so what we have here is a 60-watt light bulb from SANSI, and it's called deformable, and I'm going to show you why. Open it up. Take the bag off. Okay. So what you get is a standard style light bulb base, but you get 4 sets of 3 LED pods, and each one of these pods actually has 8 LEDs in it that are super bright. They call it deformable because once it's up there, you can actually take this and bend these up. They're little clicks. It'll actually click, and little stops at each level, so you can customize how you want to put this in. But the best thing of all is that it requires no modification to wiring. All you have to do is screw it into any standard light bulb base, which we just so happen to have directly in the center of the ceiling. So let's get the ladder out and take a look at what we've got. So what we have here in the center of the garage is a standard halogen flood lamp, actually, which doesn't do a great job of throwing light around the garage. So we're going to remove it and replace it with the LED. Now, because it's deformable, we can actually aim these up just a little bit, and I'm going to do that. No exact science to it. I'm just going to give it a shot to kind of spread it out a little bit more. And yeah, let's hit the light switch and see what it looks like. Wow, that is a lot of light. I might actually bend it up just a little bit more because right now it's facing straight down. Wow, that is throwing a ton of light. I don't even know if the camera is going to be able to get that, but it is a completely different light than the fluorescent bay light over there, and it's so much more powerful than it was before. So overall, I'm really pleased with the SANSI LED fixture light. It's just under 50 bucks, and it took about 30 seconds to install. I didn't have to change anything. It was as easy as changing a light bulb. But the difference in the lighting inside the garage now is literally night and day. I know, lame, right? But it's true. Now the entire garage is lit up, and I really didn't have to do too much work to get it. Like I said, in the future, I'm gonna update both of those bay lights to LED, but for now, the light fixture I have up is going to do a great job in the meantime. So if you want to get your own SANSI light fixture, I'm going to put a link down below where you can pick one up. And if you like this video and you want to see more, please do me a favor and hit that like button, and definitely subscribe to get all the latest content here on the channel. Well, I'm done here, and to be honest with you, I didn't even break a sweat. I'm going to throw the ladder back up on the wall and go relax. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.